Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play your man on the piano. We will begin by exploring the fundamental chord structure that underpins the entire song. Then, we will move on to the right-hand melody, breaking it down into manageable sections. Finally, I will offer some helpful advice on how to bring both hands together smoothly and efficiently, ensuring you can play this classic tune with confidence and ease. Let's get started. For the left hand, we will focus on the foundational chords, G major, C major, and D major. These three chords form the backbone of your man. You can play them in root position or experiment with inversions to create a smoother flow between changes. Try playing a simple, sustained bass note for each chord or a basic arpeggio. Practice transitioning between these three chords slowly, ensuring each change feels natural and precise before increasing your tempo. Now, let's turn our attention to the right-hand melody. The main vocal line of your man is quite simple and largely stays within the middle C octave, making it accessible for many players. Focus on playing the notes clearly and with a singing quality, using a light and expressive touch. It is often helpful to practice the melody entirely on its own, without the left hand, until you feel completely comfortable with its rhythm and phrasing. This builds confidence. Bringing both hands together is the next exciting step. Begin by playing at a very slow tempo, ensuring your left-hand chords align perfectly with your right-hand melody notes. Focus on the rhythmic coordination, making sure everything lands precisely. Practice in small, manageable sections, perhaps 2 or 4 measures at a time, before gradually linking them together. Remember, consistent daily practice, even for just 15 minutes, will significantly improve your playing and help you master your man in no time.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.